Hello and welcome to another video. I seem to have watched everything that I subscribe to on YouTube. I think there's fewer videos being uploaded at the moment, but people have got more time at home. I hope you're all safe and well, but I thought I'd just do this opening of an unboxing of, I think it's Minidiscs. To be honest, I can't remember exactly what it is I've ordered. So let's get the thing open and we'll have a look. Ah, I remember now. Right, it's 5 of these. The picture wasn't very good on the listing, but he was selling some opened ones and some unopened ones, and so I saw what they're like when they're opened. But I don't even know who the manufacturer is. Oh, Prime Media. I think that's, you know, less common manufacturer than normal. But he had a pack of 5 and some other mini discs that were opened, and this pack that was sealed. So I guess what I'm going to have to do now is get another pack of 5 which are sealed, so I can open up one whole pack. That's a nice one. I like the blue one. But there we go. Sorry it's such a short video. It's just that there's not very much I'm ordering at the moment because I'm not working so much, and money's a bit more tight, so I'm not ordering so much. But I thought I'd get a video up anyway, so at least you've got something to watch on the channel. I do have some other videos planned, but although I'm at home all the time, I don't seem to have as much time as I used to for doing videos. Plus the editing on the videos takes quite a long while as well, and I don't have that much dedicated time because the whole family's at home now. So anyway, I hope you stay safe and well, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.